In this question, we are given that a triangle is inscribed in a semicircle. We also have the length of the segment AB to be equal to 8 units and the length of the segment BC to be equal to 6 units. So let's write down the information also in the diagram. So AB is equal to 8 and BC is equal to 6. We have to find out the length of arc ABC. Now let's move on to step 2 and understand the methodology. To find the length of the arc, we need to know the circumference of the semicircle. This will give us the length of the arc. And to find the circumference, we need to find the radius or the diameter. Now, here the diameter is equal to the side AC of the triangle ABC. Now, keep in mind that ABC is a semicircle and thus the angle ABC will be equal to 90 degree because the angle in a semicircle is equal to 90 degree. So this is a right angle triangle and AC is the hypotenuse of triangle ABC. So if we find the hypotenuse, we can get the diameter, using which we can find the radius and thus the circumference of the semicircle. So let's calculate the values in step 3. Now the length of AC will be equal to root over of AB squared plus BC squared. This is equal to root over of 8 squared plus 6 squared. Now 8 squared is 64 and 6 squared is 36, which is equal to root over of 100. So the length of AC is 10 units, which is also equal to the diameter of the circle. Therefore, radius of the circle will be equal to 10 by 2, which is equal to 5 units. Now, the circumference of the semicircle will be equal to half times 2 pi r. This is equal to half times 2 times pi times r. Now 2 gets cancelled and we are left with 5 pi. So this is the length of arc ABC, and thus the correct answer is option E.